Hello everyone, I am Bhumika Sharma and today I am going to speak about the second chapter of English whose name is We Are Not Afraid to Die If We All Can Be Together. Which name is We Are Not Afraid to Die If We All Can Be Together. So this is the story written by Jordan Cook and Alan East, and this is the story of extreme courage shown by Jordan Cook and Jordan Cook and his family members and crew members, and in the war with waves and water for their survival. And they decided to duplicate the world voyage, which was about 200, which was made by James Hook earlier 200 years ago, and which was made by James Hook about 200 years ago, and they took their professionally built ship, the Wave Walker, and the first portion of their journey was pleasantly passed off, and which was about 105,000 kilometers, and they were out of the Cape Town, and they started encounter with the windstorms, but the narrator was not worried with the windstorms. He was worried with the size of waves, which was about 15 meter high, and which was about 15 meter high, like a man mast. And now they were reached at the South Indian Ocean, which was the worst ocean, and they already picked up two crew members whose name was Larry Sizzler and Larry Wiesel and Huff Sizzler, and they managed the situation at that time. And they also celebrated New Year on the ship, but on the 2nd January. On the 2nd January, a massive waves started coming, and the weather was unfriendly, and everything was very horrible. But at 6 p.m., an explosion swooped down, which was very horrible, and which overturned the ship, and the narrator was thrown out from the ship. And the blood started coming from his mouth, and his teeth was totally broken, and her left hand rib was also smashed. But a wave again came, and which upright the ship, and somehow narrator managed to go back on the ship, and Larry and Huff was pumping out the water from the ship, and the narrator somehow managed to put canvas on the gaps and holes from where water was coming inside the ship. And the narrator was very afraid, but he checked the chart, and he found a island which was about 65 kilometer, and name of the island was Isle Amsterdam, and a French base. It was their last hope, and now the electric pump and hand pump all was stopped working, but he found a spare electric pump which was working, and he saw their children, and Suzanne and John. They were saying that if we are not afraid to die, we can all be together. And after listening these words from his child, he has an extra determination to handle the situation. And now the narrator went to take some rest, and he said the crew members to wake him up at 5 p.m. But he wake up again at 6 p.m. He was thinking he had missed the island, but her daughter came to him, and she said that Daddy, you have done, and we have won, and we have reached the island. And now they were reached on the island, and they were relaxed and safe. And it was an island, it was a volcanic island where 28 inhabitants were waiting for them to receive them, and now they were relaxed, and they were reached there. And it is the story of optimism and courage and hope. it teaches us that if we have courage, so we can achieve anything in our life. Thank you so much.
आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट ये करना है कि आपको यहाँ से आप यहाँ पे ऐसा लगना चाहिए आपको बता रहे हो, आप आए कि भाई आपको आप लेके दिया, बस मुझे लगा बस आए और अपना जो काम था वो करके चले गए। दुनिया को समझ में आए ना आए डजंट मैटर, हमने तो हमारा काम कर दिया। लेकिन आपका काम क्या है? दुनिया को एक्सप्लेन करना, दुनिया को समझाना, दुनिया को कन्विंस करना, दुनिया को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करना। ठीक है? हाँ, नेक्स्ट दोबारा